we're going to learn how to load different kinds of paper into this machine. This is a large printer, so we're probably going to load a roll of paper into the machine. Make sure that this is turned on. You hold down for maybe 1 second this button in here, and then that will be turned on, and you would see something like that. You would see some cartridges. Each one of them shows how much ink we have. If there was a like an exclamation point or something in here, you can just go ahead and print, unless you're gonna print like a couple of feet of papers with that specific colors, then you need to let me know. But besides that, regular prints, 20 by 30 inches print with like all of the colors on it, you shouldn't have any problems. So you're going to see this, and the first thing that we're going to do is to tell the printer what we want to do. There's an icon in here that shows a roll paper. For all of the papers, we're going to use that. So I would hit that. I have 3 options: roll paper, cut sheet, poster board. I'm going to load a roll paper here, so I'm going to hit OK. Once I hit OK, there will be some instructions for us. That's awesome. You can follow those as well. Basically, you're opening this lid up, open. You're going to make sure that's unlocked. You're going to put your paper here. We're going to do that in a second. There are 2. The good thing about this printer is that these 2 are helping us with loading different roll of film, roll of papers, and then there are movable. So based on the width of your paper, just go ahead and adjust that. This should be like that, because we know this is the front paper, this is the back of the paper. Don't do the opposite, right? So if I have these 2 here, I need to take these 2 out. So and then there are designed for different kinds of roll of paper. So if I look at the back, you can see there's a 3-inch and a 2-inch diameter here. So this one is a 3-inch one, so I'm not going to change that. If it was a 2-inch, just go ahead and push it, and then push it towards that. Then you should be fine. Whenever you want the 3-inch, just push it and it will get back to 3-inch automatically. And basically there will be that will happen. So I'm gonna leave it at 3-inch because this is a 3-inch paper. I'm gonna make it unlocked. This is unlocked. This is locked. So I'm gonna make it locked and push it forward and lock it. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing on this side. This is 3-inch. Very good. I'm gonna unlock that and then put it back here and lock it. And this should goes here, should go here, and then we move it, and we want to put it all the way to the right side. I think that should be fine, and then maybe all the way to the back. Then again, you can follow all of the instructions here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold this and then slowly push it to this light that we have, and hear a beep. So whenever you hear that beep, then you need to lock this lever here, and then you would hit OK. If you don't lock that, then it's not going to work. See, the machine and the paper are engaged. Then we have a setting, and that will show us what paper is this. It will automatically find it. Sometimes it's just the previous paper. So go ahead and choose your paper. Normally we use premium luster photo paper. So that's that setting. Premium luster 260 is what we need. But let's say if it was another paper. Let's say it was an enhanced matte. Then I would use this button here. Hit OK to change setting. And then I know that it's a matte paper, so I'm going to go there. And then here's that enhanced matte. So if I want this to tell the printer this is an enhanced matte, that's where I want to go. I know that this is a luster paper, so I'm not going to choose that. I'm going to hit back. That's that. And then again, hit back. If it was set to enhanced matte and you wanted to change it, the luster is all the way up in the photo paper section, and then right gun, and then you can see premium luster 260. The one that we use normally is premium luster 260. I'm gonna hit OK, since I know that's the printer that I want to use. And you see that it done everything, and it says ready. If you see that ready, then you should be fine, and everything will be okay. Just make sure that that it's not giving you any errors. Sometimes it's not completely okay. It needs for the paper to be removed, so you can follow the instructions over here. It will be removed. It's a sort of a motorized action. You should be fine. Then you just insert that again. And make sure that the roll is to some extent tight, and make sure that these two are connected. And specifically, if these two are not locked, the whole process will be very confusing for the printer. It's not going to work properly as it's supposed to. So make sure to follow the steps. And then you can just close that down so that there's less of dots accumulating on your paper. And then you follow all the things that needs to in your program. So for example, if you're using Photoshop, you just follow those instructions.